Guam until we get to the root of the mini boss. Now we still date it tomorrow. So person when I send never really give me better feedback. But German money on his own can't send me statement of account. After like 2 weeks, when we don't drag German money, now he can't send me statement of account. And I go still post that for year now. They couldn't see him. German money say he buy mini bus. He said the mini bus when he buy, custom paper not follow him. Some people still talk say sometimes they follow, sometimes they follow. One thing I want to know be say if I will need new story. Wait, no. They don't fit tell me say we need new story. Because now my sincerity and honesty, now I make my fans donate. You know, say we donate for somebody just 2 days ago here, before I travel. We donate almost 2 million plus for the person. The guy now will come later. Because I don't know what that I said they're not theirs now. I don't know. But the guy will come later and tell us how much Enogie did so far. But the reason why my fans donated is not because they are coward. It's not because they're not girls that use money they do. Now the way I tell all this German money matter, to make sure say I get to the root of this German money issue, now I make a lot of my fans say, this Enogie is a sincere man. This Enogie is an honest man. We will donate for this guy. Because before we know they ask person evidence of deportation, what did they do before they deport him? If the person your crack on go your head. But now, German money has made it harder for other people that is coming to my platform. I don't know about other people's platform. But in this my platform, before you ask for donation, we need to see evidence of proof. If there is no evidence of proof, we not go see. We not go donate. If we not see what you donate for, we not go see. We go first screen you, check you first. But if I do not have the characteristics and the quality of a leader, nobody's going to donate. This is the reason why I am still in this German money issue. So that if anybody come here, come say they go prank us, okay, may I put plus 2-1. May that person you know say, you know if you prank me, most especially me, and you know if you prank my fans. I go ask you question until I see what they find from you. Now, German money, and they try to reach them because I be calling just now. Say, I want to enter live video. It's not that one they pray for. I don't know what they do now. They still tell me, say, see what they wanted German money. I'll still talking today. Because they tell me, see, something they worry German money. Would that boy wait, put German money for us? If they tell me, oh, but I'm not counter to be anything. Before another German money brother come tell me today, say, he get waiting they worry German money. For those of you where they say German money not do papa burial, say get what they do for ace and land. Say if you not do them, if you not buy white cloth, follow the mama wake by or the papa wake by. Say life they are that kind of person. They say German money do all these things. But German money gets one problem. Number one, lack of focus. Lack of focus. Number two, now person will go talk something today, tomorrow we don't even remember what he talk. The guy they see vision. The vision where the guy they see, sometimes, according to the reliable source will let me know, sometimes the vision they come to pass sometimes. Because of who his mama be. On the lock this door, we are because of who his mama be, because they say that this morning I hear say German money mama na ohen. For those of you that will not know what it be the meaning of ohen. Ohen means a native doctor. Ohen means a native doctor. Whether na German money supposed to inherit the ohen, which is the native doctor, after the mother, they not really know, but that ohen stuff got a lot to do with German money. That's what I see sometimes. You go talk word when you enter. Sometimes you go talk another word we will call the doubt, say, ah, is this guy normal But in all these things that we are doing, I am trying to be honest to my fans out there. See, and I don't call Jama Money almost 5 times now because you send me bank statements and I told you that I'm going to come on live stream to talk about this issue today. Meanwhile, person where I still tell say may help me do verification. That one already done on the process. But let's judge Jama Money with this bank statement when it's sent for me. Because that's why I want to ask Jama Money question. I don't know where he did now. Because I tell her, say, I will do live stream. You see the problem? This is one of the problems he has. I just talked to this man 20 minutes ago here. I tell her, say, I want to do live stream. He said, no problem. At the end of the day now, if you say, we'll call him autistic, no, Jama Money is not an autistic person. If Jama Money was an autistic person, Germany for not deport him. If I use that thing, stand itself for Germany. Then they see autistic adults for Germany here. Oibo, that person when they be say, that they observe person well. If not, if I don't, I did put the English show, man, I go back my tongue. If I don't give him therapy, he is not an autistic. His own is different from an autistic patient. Or he has ADHD. If you want to look like that, but in your problem, they're different. You not get ADHD. So may I show now the statement of account. So this issue so come through PDF. It come through PDF. I will show you. I'm going to turn this camera to show you guys. I have promised myself, I've been trying to say Richard in our page. I have promised myself that in all honesty, I'm going to be doing this. You see, I'm using a P in a sense, so maybe this one. They try to reach him. It comes through PDF. It comes through PDF. For those of you who don't understand what is PDF, I go explain for now. Okay, Nicola for no say, not be say screenshot and come. Now that one so that make me want to ask Jama Money question. Because we need to see. I don't know where Jama Money go. I don't know where he go. I don't know. But let's continue with what we are doing. So I got to screenshot it. So before I can be able to get on the full details. So I beg if I screenshot her, we could now observe. We could not let me know what did happen. Me don't observe, but we could not let me know what thing happen right now. Power tap and share this video for me. Power tap and share this video for me. Power tap and share. Thank you so much. Please let me to power tap. Accept and follow here. Let's see if we there. See I here. So I'm going to shift. Wait, don't they call me? Where you there, see Jama Money? I don't give you 10 missed call. 10. Where you there since? I don't shift. I don't my off. Come on my live stream. Okay. We're gonna power tap from you. So my people, this is the bank statement of when Jama Money they open account, how the money they enter and everything. This is it. I promised you guys that I'm going to be playing to you guys. The bank statement is real. Gonna check on very well. This is why I have to leave the road.
This is what I tell you before. I beg, I propose to beg
you. As a couple,
if they hot, Sonny, maybe they hot. If they hot, Sonny, if you don't know,
Sonny, that one go collect. That one not going to know.
Wait, let me collect. If you said that one collect, that mean one collect. No, that mean one collect.
Tell Sonny.
Huh?
Where I go come for him. Sonny too small.
No. Wait, see, not Mama I will do this one.
I said Sonny is too small for me. Look, Sonny.
I beg.
They are confirm. Listen, what you they use me do yes? Let me say I don't know. You want to use me to that person in the presence of the people who you lie to.
Which bad person? Hey, Enogie. Wait. This very simple arithmetic. Very simple arithmetic. For guys say I don't go university.
When you come start to the pronounce word where
you know why I compose myself. I compose myself because if I see as a people who know me, if I the time when I get to talk, at the hash because this thing, because this thing make me I need to compose myself because this one this allegation is not too much. This is allegation for me. Allegation. Now since this thing, the whole team play like this, the whole team play like this, that my matter of laugh. Don't they laugh for this kind of issue? Don't they laugh for this kind of issue? Don't laugh.
You know why they laugh?
No.
But you not be say as smart. I dey imagine what you have for the past 2 now because of you.
But nothing for.
When you don't tell me before, say
I still take you as a brother. See, I will put my enemy for shame. I saw my father's grave. I will put them for shame. Then that time when you will cut it talk, he said, "Don't judge book by its cover." Now they judge me by its cover. Now they judge me now. Some of them, they not different anyway. They not call me because I call line. I call request for begging. Oh, your fans help me. I can never be ungrateful. La. If not be your fan, open our fans and my fans, I first say I get car now. That's why I will not pronounce that word. Say, I want saga. I want to do this one. The whole thing will happen. I put on myself. Leave Sony. Now help it there for me. If you hot Sony, let me they hot. You see that calculator when if you don't know Sony before, okay, Sony don't know you before. Now trust me.
Because of you, based on they insult me. May they look at me because of you.
You know, I was whether you went for insult. Because that's me ask me. I was
tomorrow. Listen,
I beg, but me personal beg you. You know, say me personal beg you.
If that tomorrow we confirm and say you die boss, congratulations to you.
We say what people there aware. Tell the whole world. No, I see me. I know they had anything agree. Tell the whole world because no, this one I make me. Everybody call the look and say I wave. I'm not a wave.
Wait first. If by tomorrow we confirm and say you don't buy boss, all of us.
They will tell online. No, I don't want to make people watch. I don't want to make few people watch. I don't want. The whole world when they clarify, say I buy boss.
No, you know where I don't want to put her for life. Wait, you know why I don't want to put her for life? You know why I don't want to put her for life tomorrow.
Hello, you don't hear me?
I don't want make person come tell me say their network not clear. We not call the year where we go do natural video.
Wait.
Natural video. Person go hold camera. Go video you.
Where?
Enter.
Where? Where you say where for enter this thing?
Don't worry. If you don't reach me, for buy the car, I bet when I bring a person up for me. I beg.
Wait. Me I go wait for buy the car. Wait for there. Me I wait for there.
Yes, wait for.
Now wait for there.
Wait for there.
Where for buy the car?
No. Maybe the person that go. I will give you the person number. I will conference now talk. That go. So we'll take that.
If I not agree to you.
No, let them know. Wow.
What's it?
German money agree to you.
Enogie, good evening. Sorry, I don't really have time because of the work. German money. May you hold on first. Enogie, please, can you bring that boy come up? That guy when you carry come up just now.
You know what they here, but you should talk to him. No,
I want me to bring her come up. I want to talk to that guy because I don't see the reason why when you would just say German money don't call her that day because German money call me say he call the guy. Even you put her for video call when they show me where he did. All those when they come here, they try to like like they put paint for in body and make the trust like paper say it doesn't make sense for you at all. I'm not saying you not talk to German money. If you talk to German money, but no, we say person will come from somewhere when we say you don't even know anything about German money, you call it flash and make that the trust it took be quiet. Me know they like her. You understand me? So if you watch a German money, they give you respect. Too much. But that guy come out just and they come here call it talk about story when you don't like for what German money they talk here. Usually say German money say make it come bypass. Say make it come bypass. He go bypass, you don't see German money. Which kind of stupid talk is that? Or what did he take it for? I'm not yet to be honest. Now you German money they give her respect, honestly. Because say make it call that man, make it call Sam, nothing will happen.
No, I beg. You see me, bro. Me and you talk in the morning and I see.
Yeah, because well, I see the ghost. Okay, just imagine somebody call her for London. Tell her to make it go back. Which kind of stupid statement is that? This German money look like that. Is it kindergarten? It's your platform. Why did I can't you respect your platform? Tell you that you should go to the bank. Do what in bank? What did they ask you to do for the bank?
It's okay. Just calm down and
And they will
insulting someone's mother and father over nothing. No. If this man this is here to me from the beginning, all this kind is not going to happen. I will put.
But I ask you a question. Why you tell the man saying now white instead of black? That will not be lie.
So you the first one,
So
but you don't go expect. Now you wait, God.
I don't wait.
Come here, you wait.
No. See, unless I
If I
don't get you.
if I let you, if I see that I'm better than you, if I see why I not call you back, if I tell you,
Now, sir,
you wait, I'm not
stay at house. I will not give this place to the liar.
If I you see on Friday you call me, Abi. If I see on Friday you call me. Based on that customer but not accepting enough people. I can't say one of the police let me follow German money. We call German money. German money people come for us. Oh, why will come for us? We'll go pick them up. I mean, you go over come with us.
German money say want to come meet her for her.
Especially the guy so. You some come with us for where they for bypass. What you they talk? They don't answer you hear the shot, and you shot past. Man come for where you did. A person where happy, a person where country I meet you. I mean, you to say where the person then you come in the person.
Wait, German money.
I don't understand this boy. You they talk.
German money, unmute yourself.
I the person come to you. Somebody the person come to for where you did. Now the person come I mean you come down.
Godfather, Rafford, I don't know you are. You see me, so they were not be the way small kicking, but not be that they answer. When you forget, then you will remind them. Say, okay, come, keep bottle. This way they talk now. If there's someone you are, I'll talk Bible for Bible. You defend yourself. I swear to God.
Oh yeah, I bring a call. Jama want to defend
yourself.
Your record
because don't just come to talk. You want to destroy my image because I need the help. Stand for the truth.
Jama money.
Now because of what you are, now make me come do like this. Because of what you wait.
When I call you, same person won't come meet you.
Let me call you because I don't get second phone. I for the record you. I don't get second phone. I for the record you.
The way Nigeria be so, it's about coming for after we should bypass. Maybe to me why be coming to after we should bypass.
But I tell you, say I want to go there. But I don't tell you, I go there. I go wait for now for there. I don't tell you. Huh?
Okay, we're coming to after we should bypass. After we should bypass.
I tell you, I start saying if you come bypass, let me go where for buy the car. No, come meet me for there. Huh?
That's what you tell us.
I call you. Huh?
This boy they lie. This boy, you go see I pity
this way do now. After everything I've done, I will serve you people. Say a liar. This lie will tell you go prove her. Godfather, you will prove her. May I forget the whole Bible. I will live back. I already tell people, say, if I want to force person fight when no say nothing win. I already use all my last blood. But you want help me now. You are still continue to destroy my image. Wait. You are still continue now. We still get they are still continue to begin to destroy my life.
If I see confidence for that yellow paper, I don't go answer. Who qualifies for that yellow paper?
You will defend yourself. This time around, you will defend yourself. Who qualifies for that yellow paper?
Come on.
Godfather, thank you. Godfather, you don't let me do your
that lie.
calm down. Where's he? Where's him?
No, I said I want very fast. What is his money? Since that day, I don't understand you. Me no don't understand. I buy car, not thief car. I buy car. I don't say statement account. It's also very far. I call the number already there with you. Or the driver for follow the person back there with you. It's supposed to not pay since or Thursday.
Jama money, wait. This is like the shots that they looking. You know
I
why?
know they shall not start they talk. Everybody know me.
No.
Sorry, I know they shall not start they talk.
No. You know why?
Sorry, that's mad. If I talk much more, I don't feel speak.
You know why they look you? Because I still they feel pity for you. You don't see all this stress, all these questions who they ask you today. So now you cause Sasha.
If I cause her, I don't cause everything. I still repeat her.
Who cause everything?
Like, they know now. The day when they hate the truth of that house, and that day the problem starts. I still repeat her.
Okay, so
The
now
day when they hinder that house of that house, the day when they hinder her for TikTok, they say I don't go announce her for TikTok, and that day that the problem starts.
Okay.
I know they drink, I know they smoke, I know what they talk.
okay, now
And that day the problem starts.
okay, now
And that day.
this thing now, calm
Yes.
down. These guys part up for me and continue to gift. Jama money. Now when you don't confirm and say on Thursday this issue play. Stroke on Friday. That one don't clear now. I ask you again, Jama money. Waiting make you put 2 weeks before you come waka go your statement of account. You want tell me, you say you know where. You say that make you not go. Person ask you question, just now say, why you never saw they drive the car? You say, may we give you more?
Number.
Yes.
No, I said never put number. I said never put number. They change my waist. Nah. I said never put number.
You not tell us now, say, may we give you money, may you take up put the number.
No, I said I never put no plate number. I don't fit drama.
Yeah, you not tell us now. For yes,
I
sir.
know these people they watch for you. I said no, I never put plate number. You say pay money.
Okay, may you wait.
This
Yeah,
one,
on Thursday, I send her the money.
this
They
issue. Wait, this issue. None of you at the time, yo. I know, say, if I really serious, everybody will help me. God bless me, but I will not be a grateful person. Just that, I want to do things in a low key. But I say,
Jama money now. You don't agree.
Epa, you dey hear me so?
At the
that
end,
will not come out. Wait, that will not come out.
On Friday, when you call me, when I wake up, I don't message you. You dey get me so? May you wait, sir. May you wait.
You don't see her.
May you wait.
May I verify.
Oh, may you get wait, sir.
I say the 70 account. They will add the money take go. Add the money take enter. When I consider they say they make this thing difficult to me now to the whole world. Why? Me wanna why? That because that I mean purpose.
No.
Why?
Because say you use our dead difficult to
As
yourself.
soon as you don't see the 70 account, you suppose very far.
No.
Very far.
That's the reason why they ask you more questions.
Let me be the person with purpose.
Jama money, wait first. I understand you. This thing when they do so. This is the first time you are shouting on my platform, and you have never shouted before. That's why me calm.
You know why? Now say they ask me now. Say I do that. I do like this. I do like this.
Nobody. You dey hear me so?
That's why.
Not gonna shop that money finish, your body go calm. You think say 4 million and 400 million, abi? You think say 4 million and money me person never see before? Now what?
I chop her.
Who dey pressure me? Dey shout on this shout.
I chop it. I chop her. Why not come follow me? Go to
Oh yeah,
place.
now we dey see now. We dey see
People don't know say I buy that car. People know I buy that car.
Jama money, wait first.
If that
Okay.
tomorrow,
you back up.
I think follow me go there tomorrow.
Okay, you back up.
I never pull up. I'm not giving money back to pull up. I don't pull up.
Who dey pressure you not give money to pull number? With this one.
Yeah, let me pressure me now. Who they pressure me?
Who they give you mess so me to the shop? Because this is your shop. Me don't this year. I
tell you. The whole world they look now. Almost 3.6 million. They watch me now. I tell you very good. 7 o'clock. I don't give wait for you for Johnson.
Long. If we're not doing what we did today, we know they asked Jama money question before. We know they asked Jama money question before. Now when he can send me back account, we carry 418,000. He can't tell us in a 4.1. Now dear people act for the Jama money body. That is the truth.
But in a day for day, but as I come for you, as I come for you,
when you just said that for me,
as I come for you,
no, they confuse me again. When you just said that for me, not me today.
what's confused?
After 2 weeks, when you just
today, wait, as today, as you say everything.
Wait.
You just want to waiting for your investigation. Wait, suppose you don't want to come ask me question for you.
Wait, I'll ask you question. I'll ask you question because it took you 2 weeks. It took you 2 weeks before you present the statement of account. The first one you present, at the end of the day, it was rubbish. It was rubbish.
Wait.
You presented rubbish.
I want to remind you. I want to remind you. You hear me? I want to remind you. You know, say you tell me that day where I permit you now.
If I bet with that person, vet, you come down. No go check it. You know, go cost for you. Then I'll go my life. So if na Nigeria you dey, if na Europe you dey, you don't come Nigeria. You tell me where you dey, I come meet you. So anything you want to me, you don't have my presence. Go slap me as whether you fit do that to my presence. Now tell you no say TikTok can be real life. I bet come up. What be your name again? I bet only of you know your name. Wanna tag me I know or just comment I know your name.
Wait.
Because when I
not my matter, not in our company.
You not see Abi. Now when me cut talk, you cut see. Now you cut see Abi. Okay, I comment. I want see your name. I want go swap me. You come follow me talk where I dey.
Godfather, calm down. I not be my issue. Now take fight for TikTok. Not my issue. Now you they use me to do caricature.
Okay, I use them to caricature. My committee for my
condition. I want to tell you one thing. Get heaven and earth. The day when you will die, the only cloth will follow you go grave. So get this off of mind. Matter you get billion. I don't send the person get billion or million. But let this one day your stop and your brain everlasting. Say one day when you will die, not this thing, this property, no one will follow you go grave.
Get first. We know.
Don't remind this. Don't let this one day your mindset.
Wait first, Jama money.
Yeah. Let this one day your mindset.
You know, say person die. You know they carry me the boss.
You can know why come here now. Wait, I propose do you know I'll take this. If this thing happen, I'll this steady call. Oh, you always the picker. I don't feel call you and I say no pick. You pick my call. True, since that way that day happen, you pick call. Godfather will call and Godfather will see my call. He will reject her. No, pick the call. Later when pick the call, I don't know they're busy. I they sleep. If one really find something, this father and I really take her seriously. Say not be caricature. Godfather, why me they do caricature? Godfather, if for very thing, for go find something. See that when this thing happen.
You know what thing? We don't conclude. We have concluded. Tomorrow you go.
I know they hear you.
You dey hear me now? You dey hear me?
Yes, I hear you, bros.
Tomorrow we don't already conclude down. Say that tomorrow we will finalize everything. Tomorrow I will send the person follow you. We'll go confirm everything. Then case closed. Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Around what?
I will let you know. For security.
No, this one, if you pass tomorrow, I remember that music. Ukwa say, let agreement be agreement. It may cause damage. Now damage, now they go so damage. It's what I was saying postpone. I don't need anything to postpone. I don't need anything to postpone.
Now go donate money for you.
But this December, I want to work. I want to work.
Now go donate money for you.
No, for example, say no the time. Now say tomorrow. Tomorrow now no time, no date. No time, no date. Now okay, wait tomorrow.
Wait.
Pronounce the time. Everybody will there now. Pronounce the time for year and the hour. Everybody will there. They will there at a lot. Whether I be criminal, not be criminal. From there, I will become innocent or I'm a thief.
Wait.
Now yeah, I want to know. Do I want to know whether I take one letter? Now wait I say I want banana buy with my own what I like. Because I mean so that one I will fit. Me no say that one I will fit deliver to you.
Yes.
So no shall not put it for shit. But this whole thing now, it's like leave it for God. Let God judge. If you are there wrong, say no be true at the talk. Yeah. Let God judge me. But if not the truth, I stand for God. No, I want to reward everybody. Because Give the time. I want everybody there. Everybody, body spiritual, body physical. Make the the time. When we take go there. Because they don't know.
I say from 8 to 9 o'clock.
From the old year, this old year, so
From 8 to 9 o'clock.
it's like this whole thing, but wait, I be plan. When they say I call the for not talk, I call this thing. But for my own mind, I say this December, Christmas and New Year, I want to work. Now I be plan the whole thing. I don't want to put myself for. I'll date the person healthy. I'll see they eat person food. I'll see they do many things. But December, I'll start mission start work. But general people think that general now for start work. They don't say now December now start working. But this whole thing now, it they delay my time, everything. But I don't feel it's like this moment they weigh me down. Now this is what enemy want. Enemy. Now this is what I want. But no, I don't give up. I will not give up. This means German money. I will not give up. But if I find out true, say this money, I really use her. I really use her. All the picture. When I for show my Sony, now drop everything. Now bring her down. Now bring her down.
Who be Sonny?
The person at their house. Where they house.
God go punish Sonny.
The way they it was my head issue. Let be first.
Wait, you know where? You know if you give us the bank statement of account that day, the next day, you know if you go there, at least you they eat.
You see me so. If I do something, some people know me for gender. I know they rush. Don't rush me. I don't rush anybody. I'll make sure I compose myself before I do something. Also, now they rush me. So I don't want to know the truth. Now they rush me. Investigation. You know, that you see, Jama, if you do something, they will give you time. They will gather more evidence. More evidence. Forget they deport me. More evidence. They will gather. Right now they rush me. Rush. It's like the money I swallow.
Jama money.
I say you statement account now. Like I say they say whether I get.
Wait. Jama money. Wait. Jama money. Wait. I asked you 2 questions just now. Normally, I'm not supposed to bring you here today because person when me send for your back, me help me go do the work and never give me feedback. But when you send me this thing, I got to enter your issue today. Now,
but normally, I don't cut your word short. Sorry, sir. Normally, I would now reading this. Now I need to confirm to say I whether I buy bus, I don't buy bus, huh? That was Saturday. Whether was Saturday or Friday. Now first say the person say nothing, no meet up, huh? Or more than make sure say it must possible. It must possible to the whole world to know whether I be criminal or not be criminal.
No money.
Now supposed to press button. But really.
Normally, my agreement with you was to go with them. Yes, that was my agreement with you. You know, say you tell me before. Say make I go do on my own. Say you know come up for us. I say no, you must follow them. Go. Okay. But I could change my mind again this morning. Say you don't need to follow them. Go.
I will go. No, I say I will go. No, the beginning I tell you I say I don't go. Now I say I don't know where. I say I don't.
You know where?
The first time. No, I will go. No. I will go. I will go. I say I will go. I will go for this one. I will go. But the first time, I educate where I say I don't go. When I go confirm my first. When the man comes to be there, I come bring me call. I say no. I be move grab your zoo. I don't know left and right. Because I mean need of help.
Wait, Jama money. Wait.
No, I will go.
You go.
I will go.
If
yes, I will go.
Confirm, they'll come call you over.
Although they confirm, I say I buy for there. I need to go. The man to see my face. The man to see my face.
Yes, no worries. But I just want make them do what they want to do first before they will invite you over. Wait, Jama money. I want to ask you that question before I forget. You not get money. You told me that you don't have money. Okay. At the end of the day. Hold on, why would they call her? That's why they call her the other day say, major my money, may not they pick my call again. Major my money. If Jama money not pick my call, I get her to arrest her. You say you not get money since then. Which money you can't take go back today? Go print back statement. You told me. Say you not get money.
Wait.
You say you not get money. You told
I don't get money for her. I mean, wait. I don't get money for her. I tell you, I don't get money for her.
Yes.
I never carry ATM card.
Yes.
Nothing. That's I not get money for hand.
Yes.
I not tell you I not get money for a bank. I not tell you I not get money
Not
for
everything, not
bank.
get money for bank. You say you not get for hand. That's why they ask you to
Eh?
listen. How you can't go bank?
Now back where for open the bank now. I open the bank for Ekpoma. Where they for activator. Now near where I did for here. I need to go there and I go explain something to them very well.
When Godfather tell you, say, may you come over, what do you talk? You say you not get money. Godfather can't tell you that day, say, may you come, say you go pay for Uber. So you don't say the
Wait.
The thing where you
Why Godfather they lie? Why they lie?
no, this one
Why
will
they
lie.
lie?
No, this one
Now
will
lie.
tell us.
When say what happen that day, now say I not deaf. I hear everything where happen.
Eh.
Godfather say, the change of owner and so.
He gave me
Before 7 o'clock, that's how they call now. Say because I want me to catch me as a red-handed. Because I know say I buy motor. Now when they follow me, give me. Now I say no, it's not complete. The man already tell me before, although I never buy motor before. I even asked the man, it be like you just buy motor, just give me paper. He said, yeah, I want to take number. Now there both those state you every two. Now the one packer give me. Now they want register that. I not buy for person hand. If they fair use, I buy my own direct Okumbo. Now if they did for fiscal, now maybe the first person went buy am.
The money. Wait.
Who's that?
Wait. The day when Godfather come my live stream, can't tell you, say, tomorrow, he wants may you come. Make it carry you go your bank. You know, now, where you go now? That only. My people, I remember another verse. Una remember that day when Godfather come here. Jama money tell us say no get money. If I dey lie, una tell me say no give the lie. I don't want to dey vibrate. Me no come like say I dey shout. That day, Jama money tell us say he no get money. We want to carry cab. Go there. That was what he said now. Am I lying? But today, Jama money tell me say na in backyard. Is this not confusing to you people? Edo. Even the next day, they never break. When he call me, say, where is Godfather? That one is sleep. As that one is sleep, I can't tell Jama money, say, calm down, relax. If Godfather wake up, he go. Godfather no cost to go. I don't blame Godfather. Because the first day when he use the fuel, take go there. I don't give him 1 naira. He himself still dey help me for the situation. Now, wish I give Godfather money. Now for question, Godfather say, Godfather, give me my money. I sent you money. May you help me follow Jama money. I not give her money, so I not go fit come ask Godfather say why you no go or you must go. Maybe the boy still get what they do for hand. But how many of you now remember this thing? When everywhere does seke, when everywhere don't get as it be. Jama money tell us, not be say tell me. Jama money told us on live stream that he does not have money but he get for bank. Now Godfather come tell and say, make he enter cab. He could pay. So today, Jama money they tell us that bank when they say me for go meet Godfather, when he tell us say he far from her. Now backyard the day. You see say this story never see clear. You see say this story so because I meet them I come meet. If you not like send me evidence, I go still ask my questions. Who bring this thing upon himself? Jama money. If Jama money the very first day when he tell us say okay he not use money and then because he use money he can't fit defend himself, we not go do this issue again. Why you call down? Okay. Please guys, power tap for me and gift. Why they gift me, I beg? No, he said that in network. All your camera.
Hello? You hear me?
Yes.
Hello, camera, hello?
Everybody
misquote
wait.
me. You misquote me. I watch you. You misquote me.
Okay.
Hello, you misquote my speech. You misquote my speech.
Tell us what
Now
you
come that
tell us what you
now
talk.
call me. That was actually. He said Godfather said he will take me to the place. He not say na bank. Godfather don't say na bank. See, although I live for help, I know what is that. I know what is bad.
Yes.
Now tell me say Godfather may take me to my where for buy car. He not say na bank. Now not say na bank.
No,
Now you tell people they say na bank. When that's my bank, it's my backyard.
Jama money,
Now
no.
so I hear clearly. I hear clearly.
Jama money, wait, Jama money, wait.
I want me to clear the hair, clear the hair, now, clear the hair, clear the hair first, clear the hair, clear the hair.
Wait, if na bank, if na that two best, remember, you are not smart. That two best told us that he's not the office. When did they follow me, Jaju? Because of the chat. The man will tell us say not the office, go for the